Right, congratulations, you have deployed your Xeno NFTs. Now, to stake your ammo. You will click on your NFTs, it will pop up and show you how much ammo you've got staked here. If you've just freshly minted yours will pop up with 20,000 ammo if you're in phase 2, or 15,000 if you're in phase 3. Now, what we want to do is ensure that all our NFTs have the max tier of 35k ammo to get the tier 1 rewards for the mining rewards. Here's a little explainer. Picture. There is the tier 1 antimatter for 35k. And if you didn't have enough ammo to hit 35k on all your NFTs, you'd get one of these tiers: plutonium, diamond, or pionite. The value of staking these is you get the 100% claim, which is your allocation of reward per NFT of the crypto mining. So all we have to do is hit auto stake ammo. It will show you how much ammo needs to be allocated to your NFT. If you have a selection of ammo on your NFT, the value that the contract wants to put on there is less. That's fine. To bring it all up to the tier of 35k, you'll now confirm this. You will get a spending cap for your ammo. I'm going to use max. After it has interacted with the blockchain, I will then have staked ammo to all my Xeno NFTs. Once this confirmation of the transaction goes through, after confirming the amount of ammo, that gets taken from my ammo balance, stuck onto each of my NFTs. I can open those up and see 35,000 ammo staked. If you had done this before the claim period, it will show the claim period up here. Thanks for watching.